USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are absolutely free and you can click them, subscribe, like and share. First link says swing like a pro. So when you click on the first link, you will come to this page right here where you can see all these setups which has been taken by me, and you will know what I do if you watch these videos, okay? And then you can join the program and get these setups live when they're happening. All right, go and check them out. Second link says book consultation. If you want to speak with me one-to-one, you can book consultation and join these brokers. And the third link is absolutely free. You can join my free Telegram. So go and do that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what happened? Weekly, we are going up. We are above the EMA already, okay? And daily is what? Daily is also we're going up so far. So you see this rejection from the EMA, and then EMA push the price back up. Okay, so we are going up, and 4 hour is what? 4 hour we are above the EMA already. No trading right now. Pull back and then go long. Okay, so you can see here we have been effing around since here, going up, 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 up. We are super exhausted. Okay, we are exhausted. No long right now. Wait for the pullback and then only take longs. Okay, otherwise you have Euro, USD, GP, USD. You have all these pairs you can trade from. But if you not trade USDJPY for some reason, then wait for pullback and then go long. That's all I can say for now. If you want precise entry, exit, and TP, then make sure you join this program. And I'll see you in the next video. So then take care.